Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying safe, staying home, and staying healthy to the best you can. I hope that these videos are providing a little bit of joy during this crazy time for whoever is watching. And today, I will be trying something new. Like most people, I'm facing some boredom, and I feel like this is just the perfect opportunity for me to try new things. I mean, what else am I gonna do? So, I decided to try sewing. I've never done it before. I've always wanted to learn. My roommate tried to teach me. It was not great, but I thought, why not? Now's the time. So I had a denim dress that I got from a thrift store, and it just didn't fit me right. Kind of didn't hang right on me. Just didn't look good on me. My friend got the same one. It looks amazing on her, but different body types. So I thought I'd try to fix it. So in this video, I'll be taking my denim dress and turning it into a skirt crop top combo, trying to make it a little bit more flattering on me. I hope you enjoy the video and the journey and the struggle, but let's just get into it, I guess, and get started. Okay, so this is the dress. Just kind of doesn't hit me right. Doesn't really have a lot of shape to it, so I'm gonna try to fix it up. I kind of feel like one of those parents on cartoons where you can only see their lower half. But anyway, yeah, so we're gonna try to do something with it. We'll see how it goes. Nervous. So I went ahead and cut this up off camera. I just did a skirt and top like I planned on doing. Measured it out, pinned it, cut it. This is a archery board my siblings and I made a long time ago when we had the Nerf bow and arrow. So we had a target to shoot at. Anyway, now I'm going to start sewing it. I have my sewing assistant over here. He's snoozing away. I'm going to fold it over and then take it in a bit at the waist so it fits me better. I've never used a sewing machine before, so wish me luck. So this is a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. They don't make it look easy on TV, but I thought it'd be easier than this. So I have the top done. It's not the prettiest stitching, but I tried my hardest and I'm kind of proud of it. It's a good first try. So let's go work on the bottoms now. Gotta take those in a bit. So I finished the skirt hem. Is it still a hem when it's on top? I don't know. But I finished that part, and so now I'm gonna sew the sides in by hand because I don't have a very strong sewing machine. Maybe next time I won't pick a project that is so more intense than I've ever done. I should have started with napkins or something. Maybe that would have been easier. But we'll figure it out. Okay, so now I have to hand stitch some of the parts because it's not working out. I've gone through so much string. I'm exhausted. I respect the people who make clothes so much more now. I guess let's start working on this skirt. So I'm sewing both ends of the skirt because I want it to have more of a... I don't want to look like a potato in it. I want to kind of show that I have... No, I don't have curves. I want to show the illusion of curves, so that's what we're going to do. Now I have to put in a zipper because it just wasn't. It was too tight to put up my legs, and then it was too loose on my waist if I didn't make it tighter, so I'm putting in a zipper basically. I tried doing a button, but found the zipper, so I'm gonna do that instead. I think I finished it. I'm gonna go try it on. Wish me luck. I'm not sure, but I think I might have done it. So I kind of was getting on a roll and I was really feeling it, and I decided to cut up some old jeans and turn it into a headband. And yeah, that's how the day progressed. So I'm gonna go outside and show you the full outfit. I'm really proud of it. I think it looks super cute. I love it. I feel so proud. Okay, let's go outside. Okay, this is the finished look. I really love how it came together. Sewing was definitely harder than I thought it was going to be. Probably won't be doing this a lot, but I would definitely like to try it again in the future. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was kind of fun to see me have a bit of a angsty fit during the whole thing, but I hope you enjoy it, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and come back to see all my other little videos. Have a great time, and I hope you guys are staying safe.